Creating and editing Word document. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily create and update customer address for mailing in Word document. Obviously, you can update any part of the document and not just the address. In this technique, you don't have to mess with the form fields as suggested by other people. The only requirement that this task calls for is the Microsoft Word Object Library. Now the benefit is that you can use this function to update customer information on the Word document and have it either print or save on disk. Let's open up our Access and begin coding. Alright, let's see how we can get this going. Let's open up our Access, new database, and we are going to put this project in our Access projects folder, new folder. Let's call this edit Word document. How about that? Document, and then pop in there. Same thing. Let's use the same name. Edit Word document. Alright. So once we're in here, let's think through here. We're gonna need to create two functions to do the job. One function being to save the document. The other is to update the document. So you have to save first and then update. So let's go into this module. Let's name this module as MS Word document. While we're here, before I forget, let's go to Tools, References. We need to reference this to Microsoft Word, down here somewhere. Boop, 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 boop. There. I just saw it. Okay. Let's do delete scroll. I don't have a mouse. I'm using keypad on my laptop, and you're gonna have to grab it correctly. Think right there. Alright, in this MS Word document function here, we're gonna do a private for save. Let's call sub save Word document. Alright, now we are going to need Word application as new Word application. We are going to need the Word document as Word document. Now to save a Word document, let's see, with Word application, and with Word application, we want to add document, and we want to Oh, let's see. Nope, that's let's go back here. We're gonna need to set first, set Word document equals, let's see, equals there, document, add, there you go. And that will be our new document. And then we want to save this guy. All right. So Word document, save as. Oops. Word document, save as. Yeah, I don't know why that number 2 comes up. And now we need to say with Word application and with we want to text type type text. That's what it is. Type text with Word application. You know what? With Word application and the selection. Selection is a part of the Word inside the Word document. So this would be type text. There you go. And this would be the text body. Body. There you go. And then this would be the paragraph. All right. So that's essentially how we save the application, the Word application. And then we're going to active document, close, and we want to save this guy, save changes to Word doc, save changes, and that's that. That should be it. Now we're gonna need something here. This would be the text body text. Let's call this body text as string, and this will be file path, document path. How about document file path? I think that sounds right. Document file path. So now we can pop this guy in here, and we're gonna pop this guy in here. Lastly, we need to close the application because we don't want this guy to be sitting in hanging in the background process. So let's go ahead and application quit. All right, and that is essentially how we save the document. So actually, you know what? We're going to change this back to public. Oops. We want to test this guy, make sure it does what it's supposed to do. So pop into the environment. We're going to add a form, and then let's see. We are going to, you know what? We're going to pop a text button in here. Let's call entry. Let's call body text, just something. And then we can be fancy, change this plain text to rich. There. We're gonna pop something in here. Let's do a touch screen. Alright, we need that. Let's add a button, and let's call this print. Just keep in mind, I say print, we're actually going to save it. So if we were to put this to work, we want to send it to the printer. Alright, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So, but let's make that a print button, command, double click on that guy. There. And here, we're going to say file path. Make it easy. As string, and then we'll say file path equals application current project, and then path, and then how about sample dot dox. So that is the name we're gonna save right now. And then we're gonna say call ms word document save, and it calls for the body text, which is me text body text, and the file path, and that's it. Well, let's see how this works. So yeah, let's try to get something in here. We got something here. Let's grab this text right here. There. Copy that. And we are going to put red in here when we run this guy. There. And we're gonna add some hold on, let me get back to this guy. I need to fix this new key enter here. Yep, new line infill. So that will make that way we can have a space in there. All right, let's try that again. So if we come over here, it is, see there, and now let's put a dot there. What the that should be right. Save changes. Equal. That's better, I think. There, I forgot the equal sign. All right, let's see. Let's go into our what was that? Edit. Hey, it didn't save. What the heck? What the heck? It didn't save. Oh. Well, you know what? Let's break this guy. I want to see why it did not save. Oh. Yeah. See that? See access, well, access, edit project. Ah, there you go. It didn't save. It did save. It saved in different folder. I'll show you. Let me show you. It did what it's supposed to do, except yeah, it's saved in here. There. See there? I just noticed that. So I'm gonna delete that guy. We're gonna make it saved correctly. Let's go back to that screen. And you know what I forgot here? A backslash. There. Now it should do its job. Let's try. Let's take a look at this. It just saved. Let's go back in edit. There. Open it up. Ta-da! But that's okay. All right, that's okay. Yeah, you know what? We are going to. I think that comes from the rich text right there. All right. So what we're gonna do here? What we're gonna do here? Yeah. What we're gonna do here? We're gonna do this. Come in here. Design. So we know that save button works. So I'm gonna take that out. Default. Yeah. And what happened? And text. Take that reach out because that's got funny stuff in it. All right, so that's good. So we know that works. The question is, we gotta grab the original file, all right, and send it to here, and that will be the new one. All right, so we got the save. Now we have to let's make this guy a private, and we're gonna need this whole thing again. All right, we're gonna pop it in there, rename this guy as, how about print customer document letter, print I like that, print customer letter. All right, and here we only need the original document. And here we are going to need, I'm thinking out loud here, body text. We want to create new letter for each customer. So this would be the body text holder. All right, and that's that. Now we need to set Word document equals Word application document open. We want to open that document file path and no confirmation, and we want it to be read only, so make it true. We don't want to modify this guy. This would be the original, our original document. All right, once we get that, we can say body text equals Word document content equals the content. All right, and we don't need this guy. Oh, we do. Oops. We don't need this guy. However, we don't want to save this guy. You see, let's do not save. All right. So that's basically what we need for up there. All we need is this guy, the body text. We're gonna be testing our sample. So imagine we're gonna do a counter here. Make it easier. Counter as integer. Oops. I know how to spell. Huh. Oh, there. So imagine this is records of customers. All right. We're gonna do for counter equals 1 to, how about, let's make 5 documents, 5 customers. Next. All right. So we got a body text, and this function that works, we need body text, which is we do, and we need document files. All right. So now in here we can say, oh, you know what? Yeah, we can go ahead and reuse this guy. Since we just grab this content and then we close the application. Now we're just going to use this file, this variable. All right, just create a new one. Application. Ooh, if I know how to spell application. Current document, current project, path, and jack. Don't forget that backslash. And we're gonna create same one, except, all right, imagine you can come up with all the stuff as far as names concerned. So this would be doc x, yep, and then we can say actually I like to do this. Now you could do a call without writing a call. You could just do like this. And then the body text, and then the s document file path. Yeah, so it wants a call, so we'll put a call in there. All right, so we can call that guy, and that is just going to create sample 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do 3. Let's 5. Let's do 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So that's how that's going to work. And then I'm going to show you how to modify these guys later. But for right now, let's do this. All right. We want to make sure that it saves. It creates 3 different sets without changing the original one. All right. So let's try it. Let's make sure that we don't have anything in there. Yep, we only have 1 there. That would be our original. So actually, you know what? We need to modify this guy. Oops. See this guy? We need to say call ms word document and then ms. Oh, you know what? Hold on, let me check something there. That's why it's not there. Let's make this public. There you go. Now we can do that. Call ms word document dot, there you go, print, and then we need this original file, which we know it exists. File path. There. Save. So when we call that, it's going to print. It's going to make a copy of the original file with the extension sample 123. All right. So let's see it. I think it's done. Let's go back here. 2, 3, as expected, which is good. All right. So we're gonna open this guy, examine this. Look at that. So we have everything the same way as the original. Okay, so that's how you create a sample. Now that would be individual. Okay, so let's get back in here. We're getting there. Let's get back in there. So what we really need is the to get the customer record and show you how I can fix this guy. All right. So to do that, we're gonna need a couple of things. All right. To do that, we're gonna need a couple of things. Let me close this down. We know this guy works. I'm gonna come in here. I'm going to create table, just sample table. Actually, I don't. Yeah, let's make this a designed view, and then we're gonna call that. How about contact? I think contact would be good. All right. So we're gonna do uh, contact ID, and then that would be auto number. Auto number, and we're gonna do customer ID. How about customer number? This be short text. First name, last name, street address, CT, yeah, and then state, zip code. I think that's good enough. We are going to save this guy, and now I'm going to open up because this is a new one. I need to grab some data, so I'm going to open up my studio. Now if you want to see how I got the sample database here, go to my channel and look at the linked tables. Look at the linked tables. If you look at that linked tables, I show you how I grab this guy from the website and how to back up this database. So, but yeah, go ahead and look at that guy. That video title is called linked table. So so here I want to see something. Let's do from, is it customer, is S is a sale. There you go, sales customer. We might not be able to see. Let me see. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Let's look at it. So yeah, there you go. We got customer first name, last name, and we got the title. Oh, that's good. Let's go back in here and add title. That's good. So we can. I'm going to show you this too. I wouldn't call that title. We call it salutation. All right. Let's call it salutation. Title would mean a title would mean I'm going to put right behind there. A title would mean like office manager, IT manager, or salesperson. That would be title. But this is salutation, something that you yeah. So I'm not going to get too details with that, but that would be salutation. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Phone and all that. Okay. And now there's a customer ID. Okay. So yeah, okay. All right. So that's a customer ID. So now we also need, go ahead and fix this guy. Let's do yeah, let's do customer ID. First name, last name, customer, I think we should get the company name. I think that would be better. Company name, yeah. All right. For that, that's good for that. So that's what we need. Okay. And then we're gonna join the address. There is a table called addresses. There, addresses. All right. So the addresses. I'm gonna do addresses. Let's do addresses. Let's do this because there are multiple addresses for each customer, I believe. Otherwise, I would not have it in a separate table. So let's take a look at the take a look at the sales address. Let's see what's in here. Let's do this. I want to see how the address ID. Okay, so I don't see it to link back. Oh, customer address. There. Let's see what's in here. Oops. There you go. We got customer ID. All right. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's. We are going to in the join this guy on customer ID equals a customer ID. Now we can say B. I still don't get an address. You know what? Let me do this. I think we can do this. Let's try to be form. Yeah, I think that's what we do. We do customer address in a join. We're gonna look into the address. Address ID equals address ID. You see there? And here we can say A, we want a customer. 2, we go to the, we want the address line 1. I want to see the line 2 as well. I just want to see this one. So when I format this, I'm going to join that one to the customer table, and then we have a list of addresses. So, but now B, we got the city, state, province. They call it province. And then we need the postal code. So let's take a look and see what they are. There. That's what we need. All right. So address line 2, we're going to omit that. That looks like more blank stuff. All right. I think that's good. Let me see. Is there any country in here? Because that postal code, some look tacky. Province. It doesn't have country. But anyways, I'm gonna just, yeah, this is fine. This is just fine for demonstration purposes. So we have that. All right. So now what we need is, I'm going to copy this guy, and instead I'm going to, I'm going to come right here and put that in there. And now I can say this is the A, and B is address 1, city, state, province. That's what we need. Alright, so I can highlight this guy. There we have it. Alright, that looks good. Now I'm just going to grab a couple of them in here. So let me see if there's a salutation in here. So first name, last name, I'm going to put a salutation in here. And this guy is called title. Yeah, title. I think let's look at it again. Yep. Alright. So now we want to match this guy, make sure they look the same. So here I'm going to go view. We need customer ID contact. That will be the new. We need customer number, and it's called customer ID. Alright. And that is integer. So what we can do here is we can change this guy to integer, and let's match it up. Yeah, that way number. That's good. The rest is look good. And then what else? Let's get back in here. Let's view. So we need first name, last name, salutation, which is we put in the right place. And then company name. Oh, we need company name. Okay. So we need company name design, and it goes right behind salutation. Right. So we'll go company name. That's good. And then it goes right there. Okay. And let's see. And then it's street, states, and then we have address, city, state, province. Oh, we got 2 provinces. Yeah, that should be a postal code. Okay. All right. That's good. That is dandy. So now we're gonna make this guy. We're gonna make this guy known as contact ID. I think that will work. And we'll see. Okay. And now I'm gonna highlight this guy. Maybe there, and then copy. And I think this will work doing this. Now if it doesn't work, I'm going to show you another way to get this. I'll save there. Let's see if that works. There you go. That worked. You see there? So that's how you get sample data. Alright. So now we got all these guys, which is dandy. Okay. Now the fun part, which I didn't think I was going to do this, but just so that just because I want to show you that these can work this way. So I'm going to change that to rs as record set. That's good. And then right here I'm going to say record set equals current db open record set, and then we're going to say, we're not going to say anything, we're just going to put customer no contact. We need to put contact in there. Alright, so it's going to refer this guy. It knows access pretty smart, so it's just going to look at that. And now and here we can say how about do until rs. Oops, hold on there. Now, for safety, you always want to check. You can say if there's some record count, then that's a safety check. All right, you should always do that. And if there's something, then you want to do this. Then move to first record. See? Then you begin the first record, and then do until or else end of file. All right. So now we can say loop. Now from here, we want to make sure that you advance. So this is a good way of doing things. You always do the first and then move. Otherwise, it's going to keep going without moving. All right. Anyways, so here is where we get a little fancy. All right. So you see here, this is what I'm going to do. All right. I'm going to copy that. Put that guy there. And I'm put application path in there. All right. And we are not going to do that, but what we're going to do here, you see, we got the first name. Oops. First name. I'm going to get some stuff. Oops. Last name. I think that's good. And if you want to be fancy, you can put a date in there. All right. You can format date in there. But right now, that's good. All right. I'm going to let you fix the name on your own. But right here, I just want the first character. That's it. All right. And that's what we're going. That is going to be our new file name. Okay. And then, so we're done with that. So I'm going to take that out. Now, once we have that, we're going to copy this guy, pop in there. Okay. And here we're done with that loop. And that's it. All right. Now, what I really want to do, I didn't think I was going to do this. I just want to make it. But since I've done that, look at this. Look at this. I'm going to modify. I'm going to modify. So I'm going to delete this guy. All right. I'm going to open this guy up. Okay. And I'm going to go back in here and recopy that guy. Copy. And then I'm going to pop that guy in here. That way I can show you what they really are. Okay. So I'm going to put some indentation just so that we know that the code does not break anything here or take anything out. And this would be, check this out, first name space last name address. Oh yeah, make sure you spell it so that it does not relate to any letter in the body. Otherwise it's going to change everything. All right, so the best way is make sure all the names together, and then we're going to say contact city comma space contact state space contact zip code. You see how I've done this with name concatenate and together? Because if you did this, what if that contact name, for example, is in here somewhere? That would be modified as well. That would be changed. Or if you just separate that out and anywhere has a state, that's going to be changed as well. So we don't want that. We want names like so. All right. And then here we're going to say dear, right? Dear. And then we're going to say contact salutation. Contact salutation. And then space last name. All right. And then comma. Okay. So let's see if that's going to work. And then we're going to save this original, Control S. All right. And leave that for now because we want to fix this right here. Okay. fix this right here. So as we move forward here, and we got the body text, what we want to do is we say body text. We want to say body text equals replace. I'm going to show you how to do this. Replace, and then this would be body text, and then find what? So the find is what we just put in, and then replace with what? Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Window first name. Right here. Hold on, let me copy that one. My bad. So right, we got that guy, and we're gonna do that there. I think that's everybody. So here we say first name, last name. What is it we call right here? Contact ID, contact address. Oh, we forgot salutation, don't we? Okay. All right. How about contact salutation? And then right here is contact city, contact state, and then here contact zip code. I think that's that, and that is that. All right, so I'm going to take that out right there, the top one. So we're going to get some stuff, a record from this table, and then we're going to go through each record and put this guy. But you know what, I'm going to just do a set top 3 from. So we're going to test out 3 records. All right, so comes in here, and then right here we want to say set rs equals nothing. All right, obviously I haven't done all the error handling, but you know, to speed up my video, I'm going to leave that out. That's pretty easy. You can find ways to do that. Okay, so I think we got it here. All right, so each time it goes to the record, it's going to say the first character of the first name and last name, and make that a file, and then we're going to replace a bunch of stuff in here. These are the stuff that it's going to replace. All right, so let's save that and close it. All right, moment of truth. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go. Let's go. Moment of truth. Ding. And let's go in here. Let's take a look. 1. See there? You see there? You see there? That's 3. Now, when it's done, we can come in here. Look at this. Now, how cool is that? And you don't have to mess with the address book. Alright? And no bunch of form fields. And now, if you were to design this the way most suggested, look at this. You would have to do this. Look, you would have to use where is it? Design, insert, quick part, and you would have to do the field, and you have to find and specify all the field name. It would mean merge field and bunch of this. And sometimes there's a conflict. Through my testing, there's a conflict. It would not recognize, you see. All right, and you can only use that form field once. All right, whereas here, you see I put first name, last. Oh, you know what? There, that should be salutation. My bad. So whereas all we had to do is just make sure that name is whatever we want it to be, and we don't have to mess with the field name. All right, and that's that, and that's all. And so if that first name is going to be in here another time, 3, all related to that first name is going to be replaced. All right. Otherwise, you won't have to say first name 1, first name 2, first name 3, and then you have to specify first name here and there everywhere. Okay. So this is easy way to do it. All right. I'm going to delete this. Now, obviously, if you want to know how to put this in the different folder, go look at my video on the subfolders, I think it was. So that's called contact salutation. Okay, let me go back in here. I want to see why it's not contact salutation. Well, that's right. Oh, I put a first name in there. That is salutation. There. All right. Oh, look at this first name. All right. So that's that should be last name there. Last name. This is street address. Street address. That's the city. That is state. That is. Oops. That is zip. Come on, Jack. There. Zip code. All right. And let's see. Let me double check all these names right here. So first name, last name, salutation, company. Oh, I didn't put in company in there. Street address, city, state, zip code. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. All right. Now, let's try that again. We deleted all 3 of them, right? Okay. So, now we're gonna look at the last. Okay. Where was I? Okay, top 3. Let's do top 5, and we're gonna go backwards. Order by last name. We'll get that last name descending order. All right. Okay, let's take a look. Bing. And any day now. Did we click it? Ooh, collection not found. Where? Oh, street. Look at that. Street address. I was wondering why it didn't even go. Okay, I misspelled. Alright, it went. There you go. We got Smith. Let's open Smith. Come on, Smith. I want to see you. There. Margaret Smith. Look at that. And how cool is that? You see the salutation that we did? That is awesome. I say that is the best way to do mail merge or a formatted document. And that's it. That's how you do it. Like I said, if you want to put these letters into different folder, check out my subfolders video. All right. Oh, one thing I was going to show you. Obviously, you wouldn't want to print this into your save this. All right. Now, if you don't want to save this, all right, you would do this instead of calling that guy, or instead of coming over here. You say Word doc document print out. That's it. You just change that. Alright, and if you want to save same time, leave that there. Otherwise, just do that. And that's how you would print it. All right. So, but if I print it, you won't be able to see my printer, you see. So I'll just comment that out for now. All right. So that's how you print out. All right. That's that for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.